Hello students, welcome to the second video of Science Class 7, Chapter 9 Soil. In the first lecture, we have discussed about the composition of soil, and in today's video, we are going to discuss about the types of soil. So let us start today's session. Types of soil. Size of particles present in soil is very important for the properties of soil. As we have seen in activity 1 that the topsoil mainly consists of three kinds of rock particles. These particles differ in their size, appearance and texture. Soil particles. The soil mainly consists of three main particles: clay particles, silt particles and sand particles. Clay particles are the smallest in size and they are smooth to touch, while silt particles are slightly larger or bigger than the clay particles, and sand particles are larger than the silt particles, and these can be easily seen, and sand particles are rough to touch. In addition to these three particles, there are some small stones or gravels. Gravels are large and can be picked up by hand. The topsoil in any geographical area may contain one or more kind of particles. Types of soil. Depending upon the relative amount of the particles and the texture, soil are classified into three main types. First, sandy soil, second, clayey soil, and third, loamy soil. Sandy soil. This soil contains a large amount of sand particles and very small amount of silt and clay particles. This type of soil is found in deserts. Because of larger size, sand particles cannot fit together and there is enough space among them. These particles are filled with air, thus it cannot hold much water. It is called well aerated, light and dry. This soil is not suited for agriculture. However, gram, barley, maize and millets can be grown on this soil. Clay soil. This soil mostly contains clay particles and a small quantity of humus and silt. This soil is compact and can hold water but cannot trap air. Clay soil contains many minerals and has good water retaining capacity, which makes it suitable for growth of plants like paddy. It is also used for making toys, pots and statues. Loamy soil. Loamy soil contains clay, silt, sand and humus in the right proportion. It has good water holding capacity and it is reasonably porous to allow aeration of roots. This soil is best suited for growing crops. Crops like wheat, barley, mustard, cotton, pulses and vegetables and fruits can be grown in loamy soil. So students, let us revise what we have learned today by answering the following questions. Here question 1. The smallest size particles of the soil is option A clay, B silt, C sand and D humus. And the right answer is option A clay. Question 2. The largest size particle of the soil is option A clay, B silt, C sand and D gravel. And the right answer is option B gravel. Question 3. Which soil is called well aerated, light and dry? Option A clay soil, B loamy soil, C sandy soil and D all of the above. And the right answer is option C sandy soil. Question 4. Which soil is best suited for making toys, pots and statue? And your option are A clay soil, B loamy soil, C sandy soil and D all of the above. And the right answer is option A clay soil. Practice makes perfect. So student, it's time to practice. And your practice homework are on your screens. Try to answer them correctly. See you soon in the next video of this chapter. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.